Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And now I'm just finished my exam for learners permit for driving, and then I'm happy guys because I'm passed my exam, and I'm so lucky because this is my first time take my exam, and this is now my copy. They will send my card on next week or 2 weeks or 30. The estimated is 30 days. So now I need to start my driving lesson of my husband. My husband. We are happy guys because this is my first take exam. Then I passed, and then I can't imagine that I passed because but I'm studying the manuals. You need to study the manual guys because all the exam is here in the manuals. First exam category is sign or signals, so you need to study guys. This is my manual in here in GA. So this is one is there's in the 20 question for the science guys, so you need to study guys because there's different questions. I have a wrong also here guys because there's a questions that the science that I don't know, I can't remember, like this one guys. This is not my familiar science, so the red and orange in the center, that's not my I forgot what is that sign, so that's my mistakes guys. And then the railroad crossing guys, that's my mistakes too. So I have 2 mistakes in the sign signal guys. Then I have 3 mistakes also, and the second category of the exam is like a situations guys, what you need to do when there is a situation in intersections and expressway. That's my mistakes guys because I confused because we're not always in the expressway because we are in the cities, not in Georgia's. There's an expressway over there, so and only twice I go there, so I cannot remember too much in the expressway. So that's my that's my mistake in the my answers in that questions guys. So you need to study guys, and I hope you pass also like me for first take an exam. So thanks God guys because I passed my learning permit exam. Hopefully I can do driving and not nervous because when here in the roadway, because I'm so nervous guys because it's very fast driving. So hopefully guys, if you want to comment and wants a guide and questions to me about the exam, please comments and I will answer and guide you guys about my exam. And thank you for watching guys. Please like and subscribe of my channel. And hi honey, say hi.
Hi. Hello.
Hello, and please support my channel and have a good day guys. God bless.